Hey, what's up friends, it's Moses here from Driver Success. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I get to head to what's the name of the place, Sulphur Springs, which is some good distance, not very far, but at least I get out of town. It's a beautiful day. I think we are in the 60s. The sun is out. I love it. So off to Sulphur Springs, but first I need to get my paperwork and we'll get out of here. The first thing I have on me is an ingot, which is, what's my ingot number? I'm gonna ingot trailer 316178. So right now the time is 6:37. I've already made that delivery. I'm just stopping by the pilot here to get me some tea and I'll be on my way. I'm heading to Garland to pick up a load, then go back to Hazlet. see that I have, there was a pre-plan on me, or at least on the app. I think that may be for tomorrow, but it's a pickup out of Waco, Texas. Let's enjoy the drive. I don't know. According to Google, Google is giving me a different way to go, and this Garmin is also giving me a different way to go.
TSW Turnpike.
I think I'm gonna go with Garmin for now, because I think there is traffic downtown.
Turn right at the traffic light.
I'm not gonna go
take
downtown.
The ramp on the left.
I'm just gonna get to on the 12 and then hit the 20 to the 35. That may be better than going all the way downtown, because according to Google there is traffic in downtown. There are some junctions or connectors that I really don't understand how they plan them. Like this 12 and 30 connector, I just don't understand it. They need to refigure it out. It's
in
like
1/2 mile, keep left to Texas 12 loop.
Connecting from the 30 to the 12, or connecting from 12 to the 30. The loop is kind of a mess. They need to do something and figure out a better way to organize it. It's just 5:17, but it's almost like it's dark. 20 to the 35. I'm not sure if I'm
In
gonna
2
talk to you
miles,
again
keep
or
right to Texas
I'm done.
408 spur.
Depends. When the weather starts to get dark, it becomes hard to let you see where I'm going.